Millions of car owners are throwing away thousands of dollars every single year on repairs that could easily be handled at home. And here's the shocking part, most of these fixes take less than 10 minutes and cost almost nothing. Before you hand over another dollar to a dealership or mechanic, here are 5 genius car hacks that will save you serious money. Let's get into it. Hack number 5. The headlight restoration method. Your headlights are foggy, yellowed, and dim, making night driving genuinely dangerous. The auto shop quotes you $80 to $150 per headlight for professional restoration, or $200 to $400 to replace both headlight assemblies entirely. That adds up fast, and here's the frustrating truth: you don't need any of it. Here's the fix. Buy a tube of regular white toothpaste for $2 and a bottle of car wax for $8. Squeeze toothpaste onto a damp cloth and scrub your headlight lens in firm circular motions for 3 to 5 minutes. The mild abrasives inside the toothpaste strip away the oxidized layer sitting on the surface of the lens. Rinse with water, dry completely, and then apply a coat of car wax to seal the lens and protect it from future oxidation. That's it. Your headlights go from cloudy and dangerous to crystal clear for about $10 total. What they don't tell you is that headlight yellowing is a surface problem caused by UV exposure, not internal damage. The lens itself is perfectly fine underneath that oxidized layer. And here's the kicker: the wax coating you apply afterward prevents UV rays from attacking the lens again, keeping your headlights clear for 6 months to a year before you need to repeat the process. Auto shops profit from recurring headlight services because customers assume oxidation is permanent and irreversible. One tube of toothpaste proves otherwise. That's exactly why they push expensive restoration kits and replacement assemblies instead of teaching you this simple 10-minute fix. Hack number 4. The steering wheel grip restorer. Your steering wheel feels sticky, worn out, and uncomfortable. The dealership wants $300 to $500 to replace the steering wheel cover or install a new leather wrap to restore that factory feel. Before you agree to that, walk into your bathroom first. Grab a jar of petroleum jelly or Vaseline. Apply a thin layer directly to your steering wheel and massage it into the leather or vinyl using circular motions. Work it into every section. Then wipe away the excess with a clean microfiber cloth. The Vaseline reconditions the material from the inside out, restores grip, and brings back that supple, fresh feel that you thought was gone forever. A jar of Vaseline costs $3 and can treat your steering wheel dozens of times over. What they don't tell you is that steering wheels deteriorate from dehydration and UV exposure, not from structural damage. The material is not broken, it is simply dried out. And here's the kicker: this same Vaseline treatment actively protects against future cracking and aging, meaning you can extend the life of your steering wheel indefinitely with one cheap product. Dealerships profit from steering wheel replacements and aftermarket covers that customers keep buying every few years. That's exactly why they never mention this simple conditioning treatment that costs almost nothing and solves the problem permanently. Hack number 3. The key fob emergency backup. Your key fob battery dies at the worst possible moment. You're standing in a parking lot, locked out, completely stuck. The dealership offers to tow your car in and handle everything for $50 to $100, claiming you need their special battery and professional programming. Here's what they're counting on your panic. Here is what you actually need to know. Your key fob has a hidden mechanical key inside it. Look for a small release button or sliding tab on the side of your fob. Hack number 1. And pull out the diagnostic blade tucked inside. Your check engine light comes on, unlock your driver's stomach drops the old-fashioned way. The dealership wants $100 to $150 just to plug in their diagnostic computer now for starting the car. Read the trouble codes. Hold your dead key fob then directly against the expensive repair quotes on your dashboard or steering column. Often for problems that aren't even recognizes the RFID chip. Here is how you take that power back even entirely. With a completely dead battery. Download a free and OBD2 scanner app on your smartphone. Replace the battery yourself. Scanner or It's a CR23 and incredibly powerful battery. Then buy a Bluetooth at any pharmacy adapter on Amazon for $15 the swap to $25. Takes about 30 seconds. Plug the adapter what they don't into tell your car's OBD2 is that every push diagnostic port has this emergency start the dashboard on the driver's side. It's sitting in the owner's manual. Connect via Bluetooth. And within
here's
seconds,
the kicker,
your phone is reading every trouble battery yourself, monitoring live sensor data, and tracking your vehicle systems in real time. Dealerships charge $50 to $100 for the exact same battery outlines possible causes. Because they're betting you now know exactly what is going on with your car. Dealerships make before you ever speak to a mechanic. Customers with you can look up the issue yourself. A simple $5 battery urgent or 30 seconds of your time and walk into any shop eliminates that revenue information. Instead, that's exactly why they never walk you through. What they don't tell you is that OBD2 ports are federally mandated. Number 2. On every car sold in the United States since 1996. Your windshield wipers have had the right to access across your data the entire skipping time. Erratically across the glass. And here's the kicker: these apps that also clear code noise every time it rains. Your monitor your fuel economy in real time, recommends brand new wiper blades for $30 and detect developing problems before they turn into expensive failures. Is worn out and done. You are getting a professional diagnostic tool that lives in your pocket forever for a one-time cost of $20. Poor rubbing dealerships charge that $125 diagnostic fee, lift each wiper blade away from the windshield every single year, and wipe down the entire length that revenue of the rubber edge with the alcohol. Customers realize a $20 adapter thoroughly does the exact same thing. Clean your windshield. The technology has been available for years. Any oil They've film simply never had any reason to tell you about it. Built up on the glass. So there you have it. 5 car hacks that mechanics and dealerships in most cases they glide smoothly. And from clearing your own check engine codes to restoring your headlights with toothpaste, alcohol costs $3. Every single one of these clean your wipers puts money back in your pocket you ever need to think about replacements. Drop a comment below and tell me which hack is that most wiper problems are caused by road oils, saved you car wash and repair bills, and environmental subscribe button for more money-saving content actual blade that exposes what the auto industry doesn't want you to know. Contaminated. Your wallet. Well, thank you. Here's the kicker. This cleaning method can extend your wiper blade life by 6 months to a full year, saving you several replacement cycles worth of money over time. Auto shops push wiper replacements because they are high-margin, fast items that customers never question. Cleaning them first takes 3 minutes and costs practically nothing. That's exactly why mechanics skip straight to replacement without ever suggesting you try this first.